So generally here is full difference between power transformer and distribution transformer. Generally at generating stations and receiving station to transmit the power from long distances, this transfer is used. Generally in the means power transformer is used. In distribution transformer is used to distribute the power in different parts of the city. Generally, in power transformer, they are of very high MVA capacity and step-up type, and distribution transformer are medium capacity and step-down type. Power transformer are designed for low copper losses, and distribution transformer are designed for low iron losses. Efficiency is equal to output upon input, and in power distribution, efficiency is energy energy efficiency is depend upon 24 hours So, introduction to computer-aided design of transformer. Design of electrical machines involves a lot of mathematical calculation to find out the dimension and performance characteristics of the machines. All the design steps are interrelated, and a designer is required to do the design step by step to find out the performance characteristics. At many places, a designer has to choose from the allowed range energy flux, example flux density, current density by changing the density or similar such factor performance characteristics gets changed drastically. At the end, if any performance characteristics is not satisfactory or is not as per the specifications matching to the application, then designer need to go back to earlier step and do the changes, then carry out all the further calculations again. To optimize the design, the designer may need to do this process number of times. These manual iterations are very time consuming and costly. Further, there are changes of error in manual calculations. Many times for simplifying the calculation, approximations are done in the manual design process. This introduces error. In all the manual design process is tedious, cumbersome and time consuming. It needs more manpower and man hours and hence costly. All these problems can be solved or at least minimized by using digital computer for the design of electrical machine. The data can be changed easily and calculations can be done faster using the computer for high accuracy and by doing many iterations in less times. Advantages of computer aided design. There are much more advantages. They are time consuming, high speeds, less compact. This digital computer has large memory, so it can store large amount of data tables, graphs, which require to be used in design. Due to high speed, computers do the calculation faster and save the design time. Design is done in optimal ways in less time, hence reduces the total product cost. Here is some disadvantages of computer aided design. The main problem there can be in the exchange of information between two computer aided design systems. So there is more advantages than disadvantages in computer aided design. So computer aided design is widely used in the industries. Generalized flowchart design of computer aided design. See, first one is start, then variables and specification, choice of different parameters, performance calculation, output. Then if we do not get our output properly, we can modify it by changing the different parameters. Then print, then we can print this output and we can stop. So there is very simple process for designing of computer of transformer by design of computer aided design by using computers digital platforms. Here is the method for designing analysis method. In this method, the logical decisions are taken by designer. That is manually, while the computer is used for calculations. Means manually methods means there is lot of mathematical calculations in computer aided designing, in transformer designing. So there is manually calculations is used in digital computer. So we can change that calculation parameters very easily. This designer initially chooses the designer initially chooses the material, types of construction, basic parameters like flux, density, current density. These are given as the input to digital computer, which then calculate the different machine dimension and performance parameter. The results are presented to the designer for review, who checks them against the specification and other rules. If the design is not satisfactory, then designer makes appropriate changes in the initial data and the performance is recalculated. This process is repeated till the designer gets satisfactory results. See the flow charts. Start, human decision,